Have you ever dreamed of standing on top of the world, feeling the clouds brush against your skin? That's exactly how it feels in the Himalayas, a place that's more than just a mountain range. It's a living, breathing legend. I remember the first time I laid eyes on those snow-capped peaks. There's this moment where your breath catches, not just from the altitude, but from the sheer scale of it all. The mountains stretch so far, they make you feel tiny, but somehow more alive than ever. Every village, every winding path tells a story. I met monks in crimson robes, their laughter echoing through ancient monasteries. I shared tea with locals who've called these valleys home for generations. Their warmth, their resilience, it's contagious. But the Himalayas aren't just about epic landscapes or bucket list hikes. They're about connection, with nature, with people, and honestly with yourself. Here, the air is thin, but your senses are sharper. Every sunrise feels like a reward. Every step is a reminder that the journey matters as much as the destination. If you ever get the chance, pack your bag, lace up your boots, and just go. Let the Himalayas challenge you, humble you, and inspire you. Trust me, it's not just a trip, it's a transformation. And once you've felt that magic, you'll carry it with you, wherever you roam. So, are you ready to answer the call of the Himalayas?